We need to find the value of x in the equation 2 to the power of 10 plus 2 to the power of 10 equals 2 to the power x. To accomplish this, we can tackle the equation step by step, using some key properties of exponents. Combining like terms, we start by noticing that we have two identical terms, both 2 to the power of 10. Since they share the same base, we can simply add their coefficients. In this case, we get 2 times 2 to the power of 10. Playing with powers, now we have a nice, clean expression with a coefficient of 2 and an exponent of 10. Here's the trick. Remember that multiplying powers with the same base is the same as adding their exponents. So, 2 times 2 to the power of 10 is doubling the size of 2 to the power of 10. Doubling anything raises it to the power of 2, so we essentially just add 1, for the doubling, to the existing exponent of 10, giving us 2 to the power of 11. If the bases are the same, the exponents must also be equal for the equation to hold true. Matching exponents, cracking the code, we're almost there. We now have two expressions with the same base, 2, 1 on each side of the equation. The key to solving exponential equations is that if the bases are the same, the exponents must also be equal for the equation to hold true. So, we simply set the exponents on both sides equal to each other. 2 to the power of 11 equals 2 to the power x. This tells us that x must be 11, because raising 2 to the power of 11 gives us the same result as 2 to the power of 11 on the other side. In essence, these steps are like peeling back the layers of an onion. We start with the obvious addition, then use our understanding of power multiplication to simplify, and finally reach the core by equating the exponents. All these steps lead us to the satisfying answer, x equals 11.